What is going on, guys? We are back again today with some unboxing stuff. Now, I wasn't planning on doing an unboxing today, but I had so much stuff. Oh, random spider. ADD always gets me. But I had an accumulation of parts that I wanted to show you guys anyway before I actually start installing stuff and using some of this stuff. Pretty much all of it's for the Ram 1500. Some of it's some general items. I want to go ahead and update you guys as I can. With the updates, I'm going to go ahead and start laying some stuff out on this good old table here and start showing you some of the items I got today. Item number one. I already know what this one is. A box within a box. Alright guys, so this is an endoscope. Most likely. Hang on, let me double check that. Yes, it is in fact the endoscope. So I purchased this off of Amazon. I kind of read the reviews and stuff on it. It seems like a pretty good little device, especially for what I'm wanting to do. I'm wanting to get down inside the cylinders on the truck and just kind of inspect everything. I know you can't get a really clear inspection with the endoscope, but it's going to be clear enough to where if I have any obvious damage, I will be able to see that. The reason for me buying this is because, put all this back together, object number two. This is the reason why I bought the endoscope. I'm trying to make this video fast because once again, this video was not my primary intention this evening. It is Denso spark plugs. For those y'all running nitrous, 3381. That's the plugs to run. If you're running anything over a 75 shot, these are the plugs that I believe are like 1.5 steps colder. So, good old Hemi trucks, cars, everything Hemi, Ram, Dodge, Chrysler, whatever you want to call it, 16 spark plugs. So the reason why I got this is because I've already ran probably about 12 bottles of nitrous through my truck. I've gone through a lot of different variables that could have harmed the truck, but didn't. I just want to make double damn sure before I push that button again that everything's copacetic. So I got this endoscope. Hopefully it's high enough quality. It does come equipped with a light that you can control. It's Bluetoothable to my phone, so I can go ahead and Bluetooth it, be able to see in real time what's going on as I'm probing the cylinders. So what I'm wanting to do this weekend is go ahead and pull the plugs. I'm going to probe the cylinders. I'm going to be able to check everything out, make sure everything's on the up and up before I press the button again. I have pretty good faith in my tuner, which is Matt Brown. By the way, Matt Brown, you are the fucking man, dude. Don't mistake this for me not trusting my tuner. This is me being me. This is a daily thing for me. A lot of you guys aren't familiar with me yet. The channel's fairly new. But I do like to keep up with my maintenance. I do like to double check things before I go out to run the truck. So I've got the plugs, I've got the endoscope. These are a couple of attachments for like probing and pulling stuff out. I think one of these actually has a magnet on it for if you drop something. Yeah, this one. This one actually has a magnet on it, so if you drop something, you can kind of get in there, be able to see it, and pull it out. This one's got a hook, and these aren't plastic. I thought they were plastic, but they're actually like an aluminum. And this one's actually got a right-angled mirror, so if you're getting down in somewhere where you can't see around a corner, this mirror actually gets you around that corner. You'll be able to see what's going on there. So anyway, it comes with all that. Knock that out real quick. Next thing is, yeah, it's a piece of Lexan. I'm planning on doing something pretty neat with this Lexan. My truck is equipped with the sliding glass rear window, and what I want to do is actually mount this over that rear window. So the window is still allowed to open up, and it still will open up, but you won't have open air coming inside the cab. Now, I'm not worried about the air coming inside the cab. My truck's pretty well based on not having any kind of racy stickers other than the little stripes on the hood. You take one look at my truck and it looks sporty already. I've put stickers on a lot of vehicles, and this one I don't. I want to conceal all my stickers. So the inside of the toolbox actually has stickers all inside the deck lid, or all inside the lid for that toolbox. So when you open the toolbox up, then you see all my performance stickers and add-on stickers and stuff like that. I want to put a few stickers on here that look pretty cool, a few that I think would really stand out, and I want to hide them behind the tinted 5% glass. Now I also do want to be able to see through it somewhat, so I got the clear. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this to where it fits better. I'm going to probably double side tape or find a way to fasten it to the back side of that sliding glass window. And once the window slides open, I'll have stickers placed on it. So the stickers will be pretty much concealed anytime the truck's parked or something like that. Whenever I want, I can slide that glass window open and you know, have a little wow effect there. So anyway, I do have a buddy that can engrave this and put a light on the edge of it and actually make it, you know, pop. With some light, but I don't think I'm going to go that route. Moving on. Yes, the time is coming. Now, for those of y'all that are new to the channel, this right here is something I've been working on for a little while. I bought a front bumper. I went through a lot of lengths to get that front bumper, but I've had it now for a few weeks, and I've already got it painted. I'm working on a chin splitter for it, and I'm working on getting all the parts to mount it up. So that's what these are, guys. These are I'm going to call them the cheekbones. These are the cheekbones for the driver and passenger side of the front bumper. So that's the support. Now this is all the stuff you're going to need if you're swapping from the Express front bumper to the Sport front bumper. And there's actually more to it, but these are the ones I got today. It is like nearly $700 in parts. But yeah, I pulled these directly out of Mopar bags. So being that these are from Mopar, they're not extremely cheap, but they're not too expensive. This is considered a set, but these 3 items cost me 160 bucks. Now that's not too bad. The other 2 items I need to get and some of the fasteners and hardware I need to get, it's all going to run me turnkey just to mount the bumper on the truck in the vicinity of $600 to $800. So no guys, it is not cheap. If you can't find these parts used, which I was looking, but I got impatient, and come to find out when I stopped by the dealership, they actually had all this on the shelf. Since they had all of it, and I did have a little bit of money to splurge, I went ahead and bought the pieces that I could afford at the moment. They have everything I need. Problem is, I didn't plan around spending $800 on this stuff right now. You know, because I was really hoping to find a truck that got rear-ended, be able to find somebody needing some money and get rid of them cheap. But I'm getting too impatient on this. I really want to get this bumper on, and I've had a lot of people ask me when I'm going to do it. And we're looking at probably about another 3 weeks, guys. I'll be completing the wheels. I'll be doing the chin splitter. The truck's getting a transformation within the next couple of months. It's going to look completely different. But yeah, so this is the upper support for the plastic bumper. So that's another one I got. And then this is the filler panel, or the lower grill for that plastic bumper. The one I got, they pulled all the other accessories off, or they were missing, or whatever. But so yeah, I got that one as well. So there it is, guys. I sped through that. I know I'm talking really fast. I know we're going really fast with this, but like I said, this wasn't even planned today. These are all the new parts. The endoscope, the bumper parts, the plugs, and this plexiglass, or Lexan. This is just Lexan. It's not really plexiglass, but anyway, that's it. That's everything that's new. The plugs I may be installing tomorrow. I probably won't be putting that on video because I already have a video I'm going to be filming this weekend. Sorry that I'm kind of holding that one out on you. For those of y'all that are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, because even though this video may not be that great, the one that I'm filming this evening is actually going to be a pretty good one. All I can tell you is it involves a nitrous bottle, possibly a dyno, and that's really all I got. I'm not going to tell you what it's on. Sorry guys. Stay tuned for the next video, which I'm about to film here in roughly a couple of hours. Anyway, we'll get that video up, and that way you'll be able to see it. If the video's already up, there'll be a link at the end of this video for it. I appreciate you watching. Make sure to smash that like button down at the bottom, and keep it moist, guys. Keep it real moist.